The fruit in Fiji is unbelievable. In fact, I'm a little worried that after this trip, I'll never be satisfied with fruit again. That is so good. But we didn't stop by the market so that I could gorge myself with fruit. We're here to find kava, a traditional root that will play a special role in the trek ahead. But once again, I find myself a little distracted by the local sights.
Hello. Nice to see you. Hello. You look all right?
Oh, this is kava.
This is kava here?
Yeah.
Hello. Mula. Mula. I think we need one kava. Yeah? Is this what we need?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Look at that. Thank you. Vinaka. All right.
Hey, Bula.
Before leaving the coast and beginning our trek inland, there's a special surprise in store for me. I'm getting the chance to sail on a hand-built replica of what the original explorers used to discover Fiji.
Bula Vinaka.
Mula. Thank you.
Good to meet you. Bula Fiji. All right. Here we go.
The boat is one of 2 watercrafts of its kind, and these guys are among a very small group of people who have maintained the skills to sail it. As the sun drops towards the horizon, it's a great way to end an amazing first day in Fiji, and it gives me the chance to get excited about the adventures ahead. This particular place is the starting point for one of the most popular treks that Talanoa Treks has to offer. Talanoa Treks is the only dedicated hiking company in Fiji, and what makes their program so special is that they work in partnership with a number of small and remote communities to provide a real cultural experience that benefits everyone.
It's not from local. Oh, yeah. Go to a local spot.
I'm instantly drawn to the Fijian way of life, a life that's entwined with nature. The people here are hardworking, welcoming, and kind. It's easy to understand why everyone seems so happy. It's hard to not smile in a land that's so beautiful and rich in culture. I set out on my first hike in Fiji, with Melly and Sai leading the way. They're excited to share the experience with me because for them, this is more than just a cool trek. This is their home and backyard. It's where they've played as kids, where they hunt and farm, relax and joke.
We left Melly's village this morning and we're climbing Mount Victoria, which is the highest mountain in all of Fiji. And needless to say, it's a little hot and muggy out here, but I'm super excited to get to the top point, the highest point in Fiji, and just get that commanding view of the whole island here, or as much of it as we can see. So it's been a great day so far. Melly's leading the way. So Melly, are we just really getting to the steep part of the climb here?
Yeah,
So it's just getting steeper here?
it's getting steeper and steeper as we go up.
So we haven't done the hard part, we've done the easy part.
Yes.
Oh man, okay.
Although you could refer to today's hike as a stroll through paradise, the slick conditions make climbing Mount Victoria a seriously challenging endeavor. But the best hikes are never easy and always end up being worth the extra effort.
Welcome to Fidget Health Point.
All right. Good work. Nicely done. Yeah. Oh, we're in the clouds a little bit now. All right. That feels good to be up here. It's hard work.
Yes.
Hard work, got nice and muddy.
Yeah.
Feeling good.
As night falls in the village of Navai, we gather in the main hall for the traditional Cevus Ceremony, where the kava I bought at the market before setting out is presented to the village as a gift. Only through the ceremony can I receive official permission from the elders to stay as a guest of the village. As a traveler, I find these cultural experiences fascinating, and one of the biggest reasons I love trekking internationally. Kava is a root that has mild narcotic properties.
Pula.
It's ground into a pulp and then used to brew a ceremonial drink. We take turns drinking the kava, sharing the same bowl. It's a beautiful ceremony, and I'm honored to be welcomed into their village to participate. After drinking and socializing between rounds, it's time to eat. Loosened up from the kava, one of the locals plays a prank on me, getting me to ask a sensitive question.
Which one's the ufi?
It's an inside joke that apparently gets the desired reaction. Trekking across Fiji is not just about the beautiful landscapes or the kava. It's a culinary experience unlike anything I've ever experienced. The whole village combines their efforts, from the growing of the food to the preparation of the food. Everyone then comes together and shares the meal as a group. It's a wonderful experience, and something that I think we can learn from.
Yes, another day. Thank you. We'll return. Thank you so much.